Welcome to American Dream Mansions. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing luxury home tour across the United States. Today, we invite you to explore a breathtaking modern American home designed with passion, precision, and pure elegance. This property stands as a masterpiece of architectural excellence, a red and white dream mansion that blends style, comfort, and sophistication in every corner. As we start from the front exterior, the house welcomes you with a bold red and white facade, wide glass windows, and a perfectly landscaped front yard. The driveway is large enough for multiple cars, leading you to a sleek American-style garage where luxury meets functionality. The soft evening light reflects on the modern red roof, creating a scene that feels like a postcard from the heart of Florida living. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a grand living room that defines luxury and comfort. Vaulted ceilings rise above, and designer light fixtures illuminate the open floor plan. White marble floors contrast beautifully with soft red accents, while the natural light flowing through the panoramic windows gives the room an airy, inviting feel. Every inch of this space has been designed to bring family and friends together in warmth and elegance. Moving into the kitchen, it's clear that this is the heart of the home. The American-style gourmet kitchen features glossy red cabinetry, white quartz countertops, and state-of-the-art Thermador appliances. From the breakfast bar to the hanging pendant lights, every detail is chosen to balance aesthetics with utility. This is where modern design meets everyday convenience, making it not just a place to cook, but a space to live, laugh, and create memories. Now let's explore the dining area, perfectly positioned beside the kitchen. The open layout ensures easy flow between cooking and dining, making it ideal for both casual breakfasts and formal dinners. The large marble dining table and modern chandelier add a touch of elegance to every meal. Next, we head into the master bedroom suite, your personal retreat. It's a spacious haven designed with soft red tones, white walls, and a cozy sitting area. The private loggia opens to serene garden views, while the ensuite bathroom offers spa-like luxury. Here you'll find a freestanding bathtub, custom shower, and ambient lighting that makes every day feel like a resort escape. The guest bedrooms continue the theme of refined simplicity. Each room offers its own unique charm with warm lighting, stylish decor, and full private bathrooms. From the second-floor balcony, you can enjoy a stunning front-to-back view of the property, a perfect place to watch the sunrise or unwind at sunset. Moving through the hallway, we arrive at the home office, a peaceful workspace with natural light, white bookcases, and a red leather chair that adds a bold touch of class. It's designed for productivity and inspiration, ideal for professionals working from home or creatives seeking focus and calm. The home theater room takes entertainment to another level. With plush red recliner seats, acoustic walls, and cinematic lighting, it's the ultimate movie experience without leaving your home. Outside, the backyard and pool area are pure paradise. Step through the glass doors into a world of sunshine and serenity. The heated pool sparkles under the Florida sun, surrounded by lush greenery and elegant outdoor furniture. An outdoor kitchen and barbecue area complete the setting, perfect for hosting parties or enjoying a quiet evening with loved ones. As the day turns to evening, the house comes alive with soft exterior lighting. The warm glow highlights the red and white architecture, creating a magical night view that's simply unforgettable. From the reflection of the house lights on the pool to the peaceful silence of the backyard, this is the essence of luxury living. Every corner of this property, from the spacious garage to the perfectly crafted bedrooms, reflects modern American excellence. It's not just a house, it's a lifestyle statement. A place where elegance meets comfort, and where every detail tells a story of fine craftsmanship and vision. If you're dreaming of living in a modern American masterpiece, this home delivers it all: design, location, and luxury. Thank you for joining this tour of the red and white American luxury mansion. If you loved this property as much as we did, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel American Dream Mansions for more incredible homes like this one. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and remember, your dream home might be just one click away.